Welcome to Evan's Game Dev Corner. Today we'll be looking at an introduction to the Godot editor. Here I have the local project list on screen. You can select any tutorial or current projects that you have loaded from this list. On the right, we have the Edit button to select and edit a project, the Run button to run a project, the Scan button to look for projects in a directory, New Project button to start a new project, Import to import a pre-made project, Rename to rename a project, Remove to remove a project from the list, and Remove missing to remove any projects that had their directories moved from the local projects list. Here I have the Create Project window open. You can name your project under the project name field. You can create a new folder or browse for an existing directory to use. Under the Renderer option, you have two options: OpenGL ES 3.0 and OpenGL ES 2.0. OpenGL ES 3.0 has higher visual quality and all features available, but is not compatible with older hardware and is not recommended for web games. OpenGL ES 2.0 has lower visual quality and some features not available, but it works on most hardware and is recommended for web games. We will cover in detail the differences between OpenGL 3.0 and 2.0 in a future video. I have created a new empty project to demonstrate the editor interface. Here is the Godot editor main interface. There are 4 different main modes: 2D mode, 3D mode, script mode, and asset library. 2D mode handles any 2D game objects and functions, including the UI you can make for your games. 3D mode handles any 3D objects and level designs you have for your game. Script mode is the built-in script editor for all your script files, either scripted in GD script, native script, visual script, or C#, though it is suggested you use an external editor when scripting with C#. The asset library contains various publicly available assets that you can download for your projects. You can switch between any of the main modes by pressing either the Ctrl+1 keys, Ctrl+2, Ctrl+3, or Ctrl+4. In 3D mode, you can change the perspective in the top left-hand corner of the view by clicking the text. You have various preset viewing angles like top view, bottom view, left view, right view, front view, and rear view. There are various other options you can use to test and adjust to your liking. In the top left-hand corner, you can select and create a root node. Once selected, the window will change to allow editing and adding other nodes besides the root node. By selecting this button, you can create and attach a script file to the root node or any other node selected. Here we will create a script so you can see the default GD script template that you can familiarize yourself with. You can use the Search Help option in the top right-hand corner of the window pane to provide information regarding various scripting functions and engine abilities. As with many editors, you can resize the window panes vertically and horizontally. You can also modify the dock positions to get the editor to look the way you most feel comfortable with. That concludes the basic introduction to the Godot editor. This just scratches the surface of what is involved with Godot, so please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon in order to see further in-depth Godot engine tutorials. Thank you and have a pleasant day.